They're like my kids. Sorry, I refer to them as mine. So it's like my own kids are graduating today. This group is one of my favorite groups. They're all special, but this group I just connected with. It's when I first started driving full time, and I've had these kids since kindergarten until they turned 16 and no longer rode the bus. We just had a lot of fun. They were a great group of kids. Did they get in trouble? Yep, they did. But we had fun. We would sing on the bus. I gave treats. We had a great time with them, and they're all like from my neighborhood. It's like family. I love my job. And when you get to drive them, it's not like a teacher who has them for a year to 2 years. I've had them for 8 to 12 years, year after year, and they become like one of mine. And so I feel like they're my kids graduating tonight. Sorry.